In today's video guide, I will give you instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Odaku. Odaku is a ransomware type application that was discovered while we were inspecting new submissions to the virus total database. We also found out that this particular application belongs to the Chaos ransomware family. This ransomware is able to considerably damage the files that the customers store on their hard drives. So before the ransomware attack, definitely you are able to open the files without troubles. Regretfully, due to certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this particular Odaku ransomware may be injected into the device, and then because of that, people are not able to use their files anymore, because the ransomware encrypts these files, and the files are in danger. Pretty soon people realize that they just cannot open any files because they have been encrypted. Considering the encryption process, this particular ransomware called Odaku adds a random extension to the files. The majority of other ransomware type threats add a specific extension. Normally it might consist of 4 characters, but this particular Odaku ransomware adds a random extension to the files. Anyway, pretty soon, well, now you can see already that it is not possible to use the data anymore. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you get a message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file, and the extension is random in every case. The ransomware tells the victims to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom doesn't guarantee that the files will be restored. The ransomware note says that, "Hi, my name is Odaku, send me $25 in bitcoins." But the point is that paying the ransom is a waste of your money. There is no guarantee that your files would be restored even if you pay the ransom. So we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable anti-ransomware tool, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in this mode. Click on Start Scan. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, and surely this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. The update of the anti-malware database might take several minutes or possibly less than that, and then the scanning will begin. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner known as anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. But keep in mind that this feature, of course, is a part of the premium license only. So as I said, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their location on the system. But we do recommend that you upgrade to premium to make sure that all these ransomware files are deleted and that your important documents are always protected in the future.